Today, I visited our government hospital. I have poor eyesight and go for checkups twice a year. However, today's visit was unlike any other, and I felt compelled to share the experience. As I waited for my turn, I overheard a conversation between an ophthalmologist and a young girl, perhaps around 14 or 15 years old, since I was sitting near the partially open door. The doctor said, "My dear, you have outstanding payments. You've had a few checkups in 2023 and 2024. Could you settle them now?" The girl seemed surprised and confused. "Really?" she asked. "Wasn't it free? I always came for checkups and left after seeing the doctor, just like normal." The ophthalmologist smiled gently and explained, "No, dear, the services weren't free. But thanks to your parents, you could simply come and go. They prepay for all the services in advance, so you don't have to worry." "Oh my gosh!" the girl exclaimed. "I understand now. I just heard about it." She then asked, "May I come back tomorrow to pay?" "I don't have enough cash with me right now." "Of course, dear," the doctor replied kindly. The girl opened the door and walked past me. I sat there for a moment, reflecting. Everything that seems magical to us as children is often the result of our parents' hard work. They always strive to support us, whether it's with our education or healthcare.